5. Wi-Fi 12 GB. QR SIM. Simple, easy and cheap. eSIM 3. QR eSIM 3 3G 1.75G. I feel like the setup is getting easier every time. I and number 39, am almost at the point where I think it and number 39, s fine. It and number 39, s cheap and I can use it without any problems locally. I used 3G per day for 4 days. Capacity, I used maps and social media searches a lot, but there were no speed limits. Speed, I never felt it was slow and it was comfortable. Note, after I arrived at my destination and turned on the line, I was confused because I had to turn on unquote, data roaming unquote, as well, so be careful. LOL. I was able to set it up immediately after landing and use it right away. However, I had trouble setting it up at first, and had to display the QR code on another smartphone and scan it with the camera. I managed to get it set up because I had 2 smartphones, but I realized that if I was traveling alone and only had one device, I would be stuck. This is my 3rd eSIM purchase from KDE. The instructions were easy to understand, and I was able to connect as soon as I landed. I and number 39, D like to use it again next time. Before COVID, I rented a mobile phone at the airport. After COVID, I use a global mobile phone from a mobile phone company, which is great because it doesn't and number 39, T take up much space in your luggage. But it and number 39, S quite expensive. I had never used a SIM card, and when eSIM became popular I thought, unquote, what is it? It seems convenient. And cheap unquote, I and number 39, LL be using eSIM from now on. Installation was easy because you don't and number 39, D need to register your real name. Installation was easy because you don't and number 39, D need to register your real name. The connection was good. It was my first time using an eSIM, but the setup was easy. At first, I was planning to buy a SIM card on Amazon as usual, but when I signed up for a local tour, I found out about this eSIM and it was so cheap that I decided to buy it anyway. It turned out to be a great decision. I didn't and number 39, T have time to buy an eSIM at the airport, so I was able to use it right away, which was very helpful. I highly recommend it.